Hey everyone, I am Kocykek and welcome to JavaScript tutorial, in which I will show you how to create a BMI calculator. So first of all, let's create inputs that allow users to insert their own data. So my first input will be weight and it will be in kilograms. And now input type. And because both inputs will rely on numbers and not strings, booleans and other things like that, it will be simply input type number. And let's also set ID to weight. And let's also break a line to make it look more prettier. Okay, let's create second input, which will be height, and it will be in centimeters. And the same, input type number, ID, height. And let's also break a line. And now let's create a button. So input type button, and value of it will be calculate BMI. And when you click a button, it has to activate a function. So in this case, we will use onClick, and my function will be called calculate BMI. Let's also break a line, and after that let's make a container div. In my case it will be div with ID result, and for me it will be everything I need for HTML. So let's go to JavaScript, and there let's create a function, the same as we called it earlier on in button, calculate BMI. And now in this function we will need 3 variables. Maybe actually we will need 4 variables. So let's start with height, weight, result and result2, because this will be used for a BMI number value, which will be numbers, and this will be used for text. It will be a string that says if you're healthy or if you're overweight, for example. So now we can grab height and weight from input. So document get element by ID from inputs, of course, not input. You have 2 inputs. Document get element by ID and your ID. In my case it was height, and now dot value, because we want to grab the value from it. And the same we can do, and we can do the same for weight. And now, because I put my height in centimeters, so I have to divide it by 100. And also I have to square it. So in that case I will put height divided by 100 in bracket, and before that I will square it. So math power, and now this number 2. Okay, so I have powered the number height divided by 100 to 2, and that's what I meant. So I don't have to do advanced calculation like this in one line. I mean, many calculations are like this. So now we can, well, we can calculate the BMI. So it is weight divided by height. And to see if it works, let's console log it, and yeah, I will insert a result in here. And let's see. I will write down my data, and there we go. It is working really well. So now, because we have BMI value, we can check if you're healthy, if you're obese, if you're underweight, if you're overweight. So in that case, we will create a conditional if statement. Actually, let's put weight and height, weight divided by height in bracket, and dot to fixed, and in brackets 2, because this will round the number to 2 places after decimal. And you can see it rounds really well. Okay, because you don't want many numbers if that doesn't really make a difference. Now, if the result below 18.5, then result 2 will be and this is a string, so we can write down in quotation marks. We can write down that underweight. Else if result is above or equal 18.5 and result is under 24.9, result 2 will be healthy. Else if result will be between 25 and result will be higher equal 25 and result will be lower than 29.9, then result 2 will be overweight. And the last, else if result will be equal or above 30, then result 2 will be obese. Okay, so we have everything. Whoa. Wrong brackets. So now we can do last line at the end. Document get element by ID, and it will be result, which is a div that we created earlier on. And now inner HTML. And now we can write down your BMI. We can write down in quotation marks your BMI is, and after that plus and result. And after that we can break line and write down your, and then plus result 2. So it will write down BMI value, and after that in another line it will write down if I am healthy, underweight, overweight, obese. Okay, let's try it. And as you can see, it's working really well. Let's try for anything else. Okay. Yep, it is working great. So, thank you for watching my tutorial and see you in next ones. Bye!